Easy Steps to Dream Gardens, Garden Centre Edition. My favourite bit. Let's go! The Bord Bia Bloom Festival is just around the corner with all of those stunning show gardens, but it truly is easier than you'd think to bring some of that into your own garden. Last week I showed you how Bord Bia has created their Easy Steps to Dream Gardens initiative. This week, here's exactly how to make it work for you. Download or print one of the 7 amazing garden designs from the Easy Steps to Dream Gardens website. They're free and they're available all year round. So let's go to the garden centre. With 103 garden centres nationwide all taking part in this initiative, there's sure to be one that's close to you. And Bord Bia haven't called it Easy Steps to Dream Gardens for nothing. This is where it gets really clever. Look out for the signs like this and you know that it'll be easy to find the plants featured in the design that you've chosen. There's a design for every aspect and every use, whether you're looking for a nature-friendly way to increase biodiversity or the perfect outdoor entertaining space. I've got James Purdy's Coastal Garden information pack on my phone. The plan features plants that are perfect for a coastal environment, but they're going to be suitable for almost everywhere in Ireland, even if you don't live by the sea. If you've got a question, show your plant list to a member of staff at the garden centre because they're bound to be able to help. You can buy as much or as little as you want in one go. By sticking with the planting plan over time, even if you add a few plants now and then, you'll still get that stunning cohesive look. It's kind of hard to know the right plant for the right place sometimes, right? Well, the designers have chosen plants for their designs that grow well in Ireland, so you know that they're going to be just fine. Just look at how much useful stuff you get in each design pack. Tips from the garden designer themselves, a plan of the garden layout, a super detailed planting plan, and a really good plant list with not only the names of the plants, but how many you need of each, and plans on how to create the special focus border. There's even a little grid sheet so that you can map out your own garden. You know, I'd said that I had the Coastal Garden information pack on my phone? Well, that's created by James Purdy. He's an award-winning Bord Bia Bloom show garden designer, and we're going to meet him. How cool is that? This isn't going to just be a garden dream that he's created, it's going to be a reality. And you and I, we're going to get to go behind the scenes and see how he's making it. So make sure to follow me because in the next video, we're going to go to the show, we're going to see James, get a sneak peek behind the scenes of the garden build and get his tips and tricks.